Hello everyone, in this video I am going to present my machine learning project on audio classification where my model can identify different type of sound like cat, dog and bird audio. This project is built using deep learning techniques and I have also implemented a system to test the model with real audio input. So let's get started. The goal of this project is to classify sound signal into different categories. This type of system can be used in animal sound detections, smart surveillance systems, voice-based application. Basically, the model takes an audio as an input and predict which category it belongs to. For dataset For dataset, I have used an audio dataset containing cat sound, dog sound, and bird sound. Each audio file is pre-processed before training. The pre-processing steps include converting audio into numerical features, extracting feature like MFCC, MEL, frequency capture coefficient, then normalizing the data, splitting into training and testing sets. MFFC help capture important characteristics of audio signal, making it easier for the model to learn patterns. Then model used for classification, I used a deep learning model. The workflow is first audio is converted into feature vector using MFCC. Then these features are passed into model. The model includes input layer. The model includes input layer, hidden layer, dense CNN depending on your CNN activation function like ReLU, and the output layer using softmax for training. Loss function for training, loss function, categorical cross entropy optimizer. I have used Adam optimizer and it shows accuracy. After training, the model performed well in identifying different audio classes. Training performance. During training, the model accuracy During training, the model accuracy improved with each epoch and loss decreased gradually. This indicates that the model is learning the pattern in audio data efficiently. Now let's test the model. I have an input audio file. The model processes the sound and predict the category. This audio predicted as dog. Let's see one more example. Now this shows that the model is working correctly on real audio inputs. So overall this project demonstrates how we can use machine learning model for audio classification tasks.